Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Khoa.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
And how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Let's start. What number is it?
Number 1.
What number is it?
Number 3.
What number is it?
Number 9.
What number is it?
Number 2.
What number is it?
Number 6.
What number is it?
Number 10.
And what number is it?
Number 5.
Good. How old are you?
I'm 2 years old.
Good. And how old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
Great. Good job. Hoa, how many apples are there?
There are 5 apples.
Great. Apples. How many balls are there?
There are 6 balls.
Balls. Good. And now tell me, how are you?
I'm happy.
How are you?
I'm angry.
How are you?
I'm scared.
Scared. How are you?
I'm sick.
How are you?
I'm tired.
Great. How are you?
I'm cold.
How are you?
I'm sad.
And how are you?
I'm hot.
Very nice. Hoa, are you sad?
No, I'm not.
How are you?
I'm happy.
Great. Are you tired?
No, I'm not.
How are you?
I'm sick.
Very nice. Let's talk about letters. What letter is it?
Letter A.
Sound.
Sound. Apple. Ant.
What letter is it?
Letter B.
Sound.
Sound. Bone. Back.
What letter is it?
Letter C.
Sound.
Cat. Curl.
Great. What letter is it?
Letter D.
Sound.
Sound. Don't. The Rex.
What letter is it?
Letter E. Says
Sound.
sound. Elephant. Egg.
What letter is it?
Letter F.
Sound.
Sound. Frog. 5.
Very good. Thank you, Hoa. You did a really good job.